Hello everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your immense and massive support towards Mdfa. Because of your support and prayer, this trophy is ours. This trophy is for us. This is for us, and this is ours. Well, my name is Tingnyei Konyak. I belong to Konyak community. And I'm proud to be a Konyak. I'm from Lapangamong. I am the coach for this year. My jersey number is and was 408. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Ada pangkai sempena, tahu tangi nyubu kala. Players lang yung tahu non-player dah mana. Kaya mga dengan tahu team manager tahu mana. Nama na support namin yung sing yung mga yung pagong alam din. Thank you.
Hello. Good morning, Sokke. I am Kamsai, Chi Village, and I worked as an assistant coach in this trophy. Thank you.